Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial of Java. In this tutorial, practically we will see that how we can do the installation. For this thing, we require the JDK. First, what is JDK? Let the first term is JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, is needed for the running the Java programs. Now our main point, that is JDK. It is Java Development Kit, which includes JRE plus the development tools like compiler and debugger. Is needed for the writing as well as running the Java programs. Since you are supposed to write Java programs, you should install JDK, which includes JRE. For this, let's first check that our device has installed Java software, that is JDK, in our operating system or not. For that, first press on Windows key and type in search box, that is CMD, that is our command prompt. You can also go for Windows plus R and type CMD in search box and press enter. Now this black screen is command prompt of your Windows operating system. And as the cursor is blinking, just type Java C. After pressing Java C, the error will be as Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operating system or batch file. Now this error shows that we have not installed Java C, that is one part of JDK in our device or our laptop or desktop. Now what procedure that we have to follow? For that we require the JDK. So the question is how that can be possible. Just open the Google Chrome and in search engine types download JDK. I'm just going to open the browser and in Google or any search engine just write download JDK. The most probably the first link will be the from oracle.com, that is www.oracle.com. Just go through it, click on that. In given link there will be one option as download JDK. Just click on that. Now there is one license agreement, please click on that, that is accept license agreement. After clicking that, you are able to download the particular JDK folder. Now as you are seeing that different JDK is shown over here as per the different operating system. As you are running right now on Windows operating system, there is two options, Windows 86 and Windows 64. Now as per our operating system that is based on 32 or 64 bit, we have to click on that particular links. So the question arises how we can check that our operating system or our my computer has 32-bit or 64-bit version. Just click on Windows key on my computer, right click and properties. There is one option as system type, that is 32-bit operating system. So as per the 32-bit system, click on 86 one. As the download has been started, once the download has been completed, we have to install that. So just go on the download folder, open that, double click on that. Actually my device has already JDK, but still I'm going to see that how we can install the JDK. Yes. So as we regularly install our device or any software, just click on next to next procedure, follow the next, as development tools next. It requires some more time to install the JDK in our device or in our computer. Once it finishes the installation process, now go through the close button and just click on C drive. In that program files, there will be one folder that is Java. After the installing the JDK, there is automatically created one folder with the name is Java. There will be a JDK and JRE. There is a JDK and JRE. As my device has already one JDK and JRE previously, right now as per our version, one new folder with JDK and JRE. As I discussed that JDK contains JRE. Now once again open the CMD screen by pressing Windows key and type in search box CMD. Now again type javac. Okay, the same error will be as javac is not recognized as internal or external command. Why? Because we have download the JDK but not set a path in our device. Okay, the question arises how we can set a path. There are two ways to set a path in Java. The first one is temporary and second one is permanent. So let's go with first. To set a temporary path of JDK, you need to follow the following steps. The first one is open command prompt, that is already open. The second one, copy the path of JDK or bin directory. How we can find the JDK or bin directory? Just go through the JDK. In that one folder is bin. Just copy this path. That is JDK bin directory. I'm just going to press Ctrl C. Now again open the CMD screen. In that write as set space path is equal to, now right click and paste, that is path of that particular directory. Now press enter. Okay, now again type javac. Okay, there is lots of command written over here. Instead of javac is not recognized as internal or external, means we can say that as we have set a path as temporary as set path is equal to path of that JDK and bin directory. We can hear lots of command. Now you can follow the Java programs to run in your device. Okay, just now close that. Now again open the CMD screen. CMD. Now if you write javac, the same error is there. Javac is not recognized as internal external command. Why? Because it is set as temporary, means once you open the directory you have to set path as set path is equal to right click and paste that path javac. Okay, now you can able to perform your Java programs. It means that as a temporary path you need to set a path as once you open the CMD screen, and once you close the screen again the open the screen you have to set a path again. Let's go with the permanent path. How we can set a permanent path? Just go to my computer, right click on that. In that properties, in that property fields, one field is advanced system setting. Just click on that. On this click, the third one is advanced tab. On that advanced tab there is one option as environment variable. Just go through it. Okay, in now user variable click on new. That should require variable name and variable value. On the variable name please write path. In the variable value please click on that and paste. That is our path of that particular JDK bin directory, and end with it semicolon. Press on OK. Okay and OK. Now again open the CMD screen. Now directly write a javac. Oh good. There is also a list of commands that will be written instead of error. Now it will be okay if you close the CMD screen once again, type the javac once again. Let's check it. CMD. Now press javac. Means as a set of path as a temporary, it is base suitable path to set in our directory as a permanent path. If it looks somewhat difficult, you can also go with the NetBeans software. That will not require to follow all these steps to set a path as temporary or permanent and all that things. So guys, thank you for watching this video.